Let's talk about something that's not talked about enough: ergonomics. Did you know that many dental assistants have had to give up the career that they love because of pain in their bodies? They frequently suffer from ongoing headaches, pain in the neck and shoulders, or numbness and tingling in the hands and wrist. You don't have to accept these hazards as part of the job. Take charge now or as early as you can. The key to preventing future injury is to recognize and address the causes at the start. So, ergonomics, from the Greek ergon, meaning work, and nomos, meaning law, deals with the adaptation of the work environment to the human body, aka dentistry. Ergonomics designs the work area and the task around the human body rather than the working environment. So, what are some ergonomic chairside tips? Well, use muscles to remain balanced for ease of movement. Avoid prolonged awkward positions. Do not remain in one position for an extended time. Do not constantly lean forward or to the side. Remain in good physical condition. Take breaks to stretch the neck, the shoulders, the hands. Avoid repetitive, forceful movements. And one of the biggest things you can do is rearrange items in the operatory for easy use. Not all operatories are created equal. Not all people are created equal. So that being said, if you're in an office that not everything has to be uniform, make those necessary adjustments that make it easier on your day to get around. If you find that certain things are easier for you to reach in certain drawers, then I would rearrange it accordingly. Talk to your doctor, let them know what's going on and what works best for you and your body. The most important thing is catching it early, getting into those habits of being physically fit, going to the gym, going for a walk, exercising, whatever it is, make that a habit now so that when you are later in life, don't think that this is an acceptance of. I've been assisting for 30 years and I get up in the morning, I run every day. It's not something I've always done. In my mid 30s, I finally was like, hey, I need to do something because, I can start to feel those aches and pains. So make sure you stretch, exercise. Ergonomics, so important. So keep an eye out for some of our future videos. We're going to start talking about posture, how to sit, whether you sit or stand as an assistant, that's also important as well. So thanks again always for your support, and feel free, if you have a topic you'd like to see, feel free to reach out to us. Let us know what's going on. And if these videos help, don't forget to click that like button, follow, subscribe. We appreciate all that. So hope everyone has a great day, and we'll catch up with you soon.